Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have an exciting cricket match coming your way from the top End T20 tournament in Darwin, Australia. In this exciting contest, HHKA will take on New Zealand A, and cricket fans can expect plenty of action, big shots, wickets, and thrilling moments throughout the game. Both teams will be looking to make a strong start and put pressure on their opponents. HHKA will be hoping to perform strongly on home conditions, while New Zealand A will be ready to show their skills and fight for victory. This is a great opportunity for young and talented cricketers to make their mark. With the fast pace of T20 cricket, the game can change in just a few overs. One big partnership, a quick spell of bowling, or a spectacular catch could completely change the momentum of the match. So if you love cricket, stay with us and enjoy all the excitement from this fantastic T20 contest. Keep watching for the latest match updates, important moments, and all the AC to show their skill and all the action from the ground. Who do you think will win this exciting battle between HHKA and New Zealand A? Let us know your prediction in the comments below. And if you enjoy our cricket content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest cricket updates. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay connected, keep supporting the channel, and enjoy the match and all the action from the ground.